25R514316. So I don't know if all of you heard us, but we got a court to school program. We were in Flat Rock. I didn't get back till 9:45. We had a problem with this computer, so my apologies to everybody in here and on Zoom. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? You met with the department rep, and that's what you're going to do? I can't hear you. Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Okay, I'll accept your plea. $170, cashier down the hall, you're all set. Good luck. Gurjant, Ryan Carlson. Ryan Christopher Carlson, 25R514334. Can I have Casey Licklider up here, seated at the table? Your name, sir?
Ryan Carlson.
All right, you're going to plead to impeding, right, Mr. Carlson?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving straight into a high-stakes courtroom roller coaster in Flat Rock, where traffic violations, probation issues, and legal maneuvers collide. Right off the bat, we see multiple defendants facing charges from impeding traffic to operating while unlicensed, and each case has its own twist. Who's taking responsibility, who's pushing back, and who's about to face unexpected consequences. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see the raw tension between defendants, prosecutors, and the judge, and trust me, this is courtroom drama at its finest.
Responsible. Okay, I'll accept your plea. You got a clean record, or?
Yes, sir.
You do, don't you? All
I
right,
can't remember the last time I've had it.
good, good. 150. You're all set. Cashier under the hall to your right.
I was gonna ask if I might have 1 week to finish.
Yeah, I'll give you until the 7th. How's that?
Thank you.
November 7th. Have a good day. Thanks. Casey Licklider, Casey Wing Licklider, 25R514331. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding, right, Mr. Licklider? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea. What are you in high school? Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm working at the airport.
Good. Doing what?
The baggage conveyors, I do communications, I tell people when there's issues with it.
All right. You're going to plead to impeding, right? Responsible? I'll accept the plea. 150 is your total. Speed's dismissed. Okay? You're all set. Have a good day. Go right down to the cashier. Dario Latrice Brown, 25R514346. Could I have Isabella Clayton seated up at the table here? Ma'am, good morning. Your name?
Dario Brown.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
You're smiling. It's a good thing. Huh? All right. To the charge, you're going to plead to impeding?
Yes.
Hey, you got to be careful. You had like 3 of these in the last year, right? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted. 170. Cashier under the hall to your right. I'll dismiss the original charge. Slow down. Be careful. Good luck. Isabella May Clayton. Come on up to the podium. 25R. 514335. Your name? You're going to plead to impeding, right? Is that what you want to do? You sure? You don't want to come in and cross-examine the police officer, play lawyer? You don't want to do any of that? Sure? You're charged impeding, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea. You're all set. I'm just playing around. 150. The speed's dismissed. Good luck. Here, Brittany Shante here.
Can I have the 1 week to pay?
Yeah, we'll give you till November 7th. Okay? Good luck. Have a good day. Thank you.
We're to the vote.
London Page Stewart, 24F241891. Is Mr. Baldwin in here?
I can get one. Sorry. He was on.
Your name, ma'am?
London Page Stewart.
Did you meet with Mr. Baldwin?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. So the defense lawyer is just requesting an adjournment. So let's just do that. I'll get you out of here, okay?
You need him or no? We're not.
Now, just tell him I'm going to adjourn this London Stewart without him. Give me a date in a couple weeks, Lisa.
No. He's calling for it.
Judge, what was that?
I need a date on this. So London Stewart, it's a Flat Rock case. They need an adjournment. So would
Okay,
that be 13th?
November 13th at 8:30.
Okay, good
And then
enough.
go ahead, I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. What were you gonna say?
The one that you issued a warrant on earlier because she left, she's at the window upset. You want me to send her down or what do you want to do with her?
Yeah, send her down with the file. She's
All right.
upset. Jeez.
All right.
I don't need anybody's attitude today. Go down the hall and get your notice, and we'll see you back here, okay? Thank you. Is Mr. Puta out there? Gurjant Singh Baines, 25R514347. Is he out there?
No, I'm gonna have to give him a call. I don't know what happened to him.
Either.
I think I saw him in the court today, Judge.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw him talking to,
Would you see if he can come in real quick?
Sure.
Thanks. Francisco Elijah's Cantu, 25F244762A, B, and C. How you doing? Good. Your name?
Francisco.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated, resist, hinder, and obstruct, and continue the delinquency of a minor. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I will give you one. You want a lawyer?
I talked to somebody earlier. They said that they gave me a number to call. He was talking to Mr. Baldwin.
Well, let's get Mr. Baldwin in here, okay? Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll need that file down here, Lisa.
All right, thanks. Is that all?
All right. Is he coming in?
No, you know what? Yeah,
he said he was on the signature, but that was a different attorney.
it was
Oh.
on.
I don't look like him.
Oh, okay. Mr. Baldwin, your name? I need you to start your video, stand, and unmute.
You need Baldwin?
He's up. Oh,
Oh,
He's right here, though. Why isn't he zooming in?
there he is.
there it is.
Okay.
Listen.
Mr. Baldwin?
Yes, thank you. Attorney Mike Baldwin, House Counsel, P 65417.
All right. And sir, your name again?
Francisco Cantu.
All right. Does he stay mute, wait formal reading?
Yes, on all three counts.
Not guilty, please entered.
Judge, we're asking for a brief adjournment. I have reason to believe he may be in a position to afford a retained lawyer. I've recommended one to him. We would ask for a brief adjournment so he can explore that opportunity. He is gainfully employed.
Do we know what the breathalyzer or blood draw allegedly was?
I did
have a paper right here.
I did not look at the.
Okay, I don't want you to say anything. I just want to talk to your lawyer right now, okay? I don't want you to say anything against you. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. You cannot purchase, possess, or consume alcohol or illegal controlled substances. I see what it is. And you are 21, right? Yeah, I might have to have you go to AA at least one time a week. We're gonna give you the form. Every time you go, it has to be in person. And every time you go to AA, you have to get somebody to verify your attendance by signing the sheet. Do you understand that?
From here on out, you go to.
Once a week,
Just for your.
just once a week. Okay?
Can I say something?
One moment. Maybe I put the phone on there. Can't phone for. Judge, I do believe we're all set. I just want to emphasize that the court has exercised jurisdiction over my client through the arraignment, and the bond is that he is to go to AA at least once a week.
Right, correct. You understand that?
Yeah.
All right. Any questions? Okay, go down the,
Well, this is Julie included. This is Melanie.
this is Judge McNally in 33rd. I need Mr. Puka to log on. We've had this file for an hour or 45 minutes and he needs to log on to 33rd here.
Oh, okay.
Ger,
I'm so sorry. I did not know that.
Gurjant Baines. Ask him to zoom in right now if he would, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Right now.
Thank you. All right, that's what I'm doing. You're gonna have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer going forward. Okay, sir? Do you understand that?
And Judge.
If you want one, if you want one. You said something about retaining one, so.
If you come back and you can't afford an attorney, the court officer will give you the form, and then we can go.
Well,
Okay.
Lisa, whatever happened to that?
You can.
You're all
I have
set.
it. I'm just waiting to be done here. Did we give him a date?
I'm good.
You know what? I didn't give, did I, here, John, you know what's going on.
Hold on, sir.
Did I give you a date?
Oh,
I don't think I did either. Well, we can do the 13th, right, Lisa, pre-trial?
Yeah, 13th at 8:45.
Need more time?
And
Then I'll run
you
that. I'll run that file down.
Okay, so the 13th at 8:45,
November 13th.
and you can go down the hall and get your notice.
So that, well, this prosecutor is only here for the scale of dates, and that's your next date, right? November 13th?
yes, Judge.
Okay. That's the most standard prosecutors, right? That we might be recording. Okay.
I
Judge,
was wondering if you wanted that paper with the alcohol.
no, he's got it. He found it in the file. If you have an
Brianna Nicole Garland, 25F244906, your name, ma'am?
Brianna Garland.
Attorney Mike Baldwin, House Counsel P 65417. Judge, today's a date and time set where this was an adjourned proceeding on a child neglect. We're asking the court to adopt stipulated plea form to a disorderly person.
Okay, this is the one where she already had
Yeah.
this one, right? All right,
On probation, and
so it's not gonna be under 771, but the plea is gonna be to disturb the peace, true?
yes,
Is that what you want to do, ma'am? If you plead to disturb the peace, the child neglect will be dismissed. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, here the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the right to question their witnesses, to bring your own, to use the subpoena powers to court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
The charge disturb the peace. How do you plead?
Guilty.
All right. Were you at 28514 Walnut Creek Drive in the city of Flat Rock, September 29 of 25?
Yes.
What makes you guilty of this offense?
Judge, may I?
Yes.
Ms. Garland, turn your attention to the date and place as stated and time as stated by Your Honor. Did one of your neighbors call the police and have them come out to your residence?
Yes.
Okay, is that as a result of one of your children getting out who are underage?
Yes.
And at that point, did the police have to investigate the situation?
Yes.
Okay, defense is satisfied.
Are you on probation or parole now, ma'am?
She is.
Yeah.
You understand, but were you on probation or parole on September 29th?
Mm,
I think Heston's date probably predates that incident. It predates this incident.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Sure.
So was she on probation on September 29? I guess is what let me be more clear. Were you on probation on September 29th?
No, I just got
Okay.
put on probation.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right, plea is accepted to that charge. I find it to be an accurate plea. Ma'am, I'm going to have you come up here for a pre-sentence report. I'm going to let you come here since it's so ugly out there. I'm going to let you come here tomorrow. Appear
Okay.
by tomorrow, okay? We're going to
Okay.
give you a sentence date. And also by tomorrow. So you can come here in the morning.
Judge, the stipulated plea form, did you give consideration to fines and costs? Being that she's already on probation.
Well-
CPS is monitoring her home for.
I know, but I still want to,
It's on the door.
yeah, but I need to,
Yes.
I got it. I
As
mean,
long as you're aware of those factors.
yeah, I'm not saying I'm not gonna go along with it, but this scares me a little bit. You appear by tomorrow for pre-sentence and you have to go get printed, ma'am. You have to go get printed by tomorrow. I'm filling out an order, so I'm gonna have you go there by 1 PM. Do you understand that? So you should, just do me a
Yes, sir.
favor, write this down real quick.
Okay.
You got a pen?
Yes, I do.
734-671-0201, extension 245. Call the probation department. Make sure that they want to, they want you to come in the morning as opposed to today. I'm good with you coming in tomorrow. You can come in, get your pre-sentence report done, and then go over and get the order from my judicial clerk.
Okay.
And then you take that over to Flat Rock. So Lisa, I'll give her the 13th.
I'll fax the order so she can just go right to Flat Rock.
Oh, so you can just go right to Flat Rock. That's
Okay,
perfect. By
awesome.
what time we gonna do November 13th sentence, Lisa?
8:30.
At 8:30. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I wish you well. Good luck. Any questions?
Nope. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Puda, Gurjant? Okay, that's fine, but understand something. We had a court to school program. We sketched it Flat Rock High. It lasted until about, I don't think I got back here till about 9:40 or so, or 45, I don't know. 9:40. Your case was scheduled for 9:40.
8:40. I have to be away.
Well, I'm sorry that happened. She told me she rescheduled it.
We mailed a
sorry.
new notice on 10/20.
Yeah, we
Telling her
mailed out a new
9:40.
notice on 10/20.
Got this out the mail a few days ago, so I mean, maybe it's in the mail right now.
I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
Nothing. Like I said, it's not personal. It was never personal to why I left, and I
It's
just
fine.
kept anywhere.
It's fine.
You know, so
It's
they
fine.
seemed like they put the warrant out quite fast, but it was not personal. I did not care that you were late. I don't care. I just trying to get this all figured out. I'm trying to get my license back.
Well, we thought you left. Okay. I had people, well, you got to tell somebody. I had people calling up and down the hall. I'm not a mind reader, right? What do you want me to do? You want me to do this today, or you want me to reschedule it?
For it to be done to me.
You want a lawyer?
No.
You want me to just arraign you, and that's the prosecutor? He's a fair man. I'll send you to him.
Yes.
You want me to do that? All right, so you're charged. Just give me 1 second. I have to white out some of this. Nobody's trying to give you a hard time here. And you're charged with operating motor vehicle while you were unlicensed, and that allegedly occurred September 19 of 25 at 12 noon, 12 a.m. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that? And you just sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer? I'm going to enter a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. You cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. When you didn't show up on October 16th, you went into the default on the civil infraction of expired plea. You understand that, right?
Yes.
Why didn't you show up that day?
I really don't. I don't have an excuse, but I don't know.
All right, go in there, bring the file over. You can talk to the prosecutor and see what you can work out, okay? You're welcome.
Have a seat.
Ma'am, your name?
Don't say here.
All right, so you met with the prosecutor. He's going to dismiss the expired plate. He's going to dismiss the driver while unlicensed, and you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, if you do that, the possible penalties on that allowing an unlicensed driver to drive are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign an advice of rights form here today?
I'm sorry.
You read this advice of rights form today. Did you read it and understand it? You understand if you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. You have the right to a lawyer. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer. to the charge allowing unlicensed driver to drive. How do you plead? September 19th, 25, were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph near Vreeland and Flat Rock? You were in control of a vehicle and you knew you were suspended or unlicensed at the time. Is that correct? Are you on probation or parole? Anybody forced you to plead guilty? I'll accept that plea to allow an unlicensed driver to drive, dismiss the expired plate, and dismiss the drive while license not valid. I'm gonna listen to anything that you have to say before I sentence you. What would you like to tell me?
That I paid, everything that I did owe for my license. I got my permit and I take my road test on Monday, so hopefully that.
Well, that's good. All right.
Insured, I got, placed on my sister put me on her policy.
Okay.
Maybe that'll help, but.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice question, 3.25 or 60 days. Can you pay all that today? Yes.
I can pay part of it.
How much can you pay?
Maybe $50.
All right. When you want me to set you up on a payment plan or you want,
Yes,
how much per week can you afford?
50.
Okay, you pay 50 now, you pay 50 a week. I'll give you a little bit of leeway time. You start on November 10th, okay? And listen to me, if you don't have the money at any point, don't sweat it. Just call the court or come in here on it before the due date, 8:30. Believe me, I'm here. And I will give you an extension. I don't care how many times we have to do it, but if you don't have the money, just don't ignore me, okay? All right, good luck. Thanks. Oh, your name?
Isaiah West.
All right, what your name?
Dave Schomburger.
Good morning.
Good morning, Aaron.
So listen, we were gonna wait for the lawyer to arraign you. Then I'm told that you posted the bond. Somebody posted the bond for you. So I can do one of two things. I don't want to take your plea unless we're gonna wait for him. The best thing is you can get this reduced if you come back next Tuesday or a Tuesday thereafter. So I can let you out now. I'll set this for arraignment and pretrial. Actually, I'll just arraign you now. And then I'll give you a Tuesday date and you can show up, but you got to be a little bit more mature, son.
Yeah, sure.
Okay? So you want me to arraign you and set a court date?
I'm sorry.
I can arraign you, explain the charge and the possible penalties, and then give you a court date. I'm trying to think how best to put it. Or I can wait for you to get a lawyer this afternoon, but he's on the phone with Macomb County or on Zoom on a case out of Macomb County and another one, and it's going to take a while. And so it makes sense to me if I just explain the charge and the penalties, continue your 10% bond, and you show up on a Tuesday. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right, so you're charged with fish equipment, fish and fish ladder, Girard Park, June 2/25, 6:06 p.m., a misdemeanor punishable by up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those, and there's a $10 conservation fee. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the right to question their witnesses, bring in your own, use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a trial. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you wish to waive your right to a lawyer now, at least until you come back for the pretrial?
Yeah.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea. I'll continue your 10% bond.
Yeah.
Who's with you here?
That's my mom.
Well, maybe your mom needs to have a conversation with you because you're acting awful immature. You got a warrant out of Taylor, Romulus, Taylor, and another one out of Taylor. And you didn't show up on this case twice. Now look, you want to go through life acting like this? Well, buy yourself a pup tent. And you can take it over to the Frank and Poet Drain over there and you can sleep over there because that's where you're headed. You work?
Yes.
Where?
Seal sack.
Why aren't you showing up in court? Who do you think you are?
think I'm any.
Well, then why didn't you show up in court? You act like this isn't a big deal.
Truth be told, I'm scared. I'm just
I don't want you to be scared. I want you to show up in
scared.
court.
Jail, anything.
Well, I think I'll let you on a secret. You're almost guaranteed to go when you keep ignoring judges like this. You understand what I'm telling you, son? You cannot do this. I'd go over there and take care of those cases pronto, Mom. Do you want to come this Tuesday? And the following Tuesday?
As soon as possible. It doesn't matter. I'll be here whatever days you said I'll be there.
Lisa, do we want to do this Tuesday, the 4th?
That's fine.
Yeah, I put it on the front.
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll do it at 10:30 on the 4th, okay? Go down the hall, get your paper notice. If you want a court-appointed lawyer, you can fill out a petition for one, but I have a feeling it'll work out. Good luck. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
As we wrap up today's session, we see a recurring theme. The court strives to balance justice, public safety, and second chances. Defendants face fines, payment plans, and mandatory programs, while the judge maintains authority with patience and clear guidance. From traffic violations to probation oversight, each case highlights how the legal system handles both minor and serious offenses. Remember, compliance and communication are key. Ignoring court orders can escalate consequences quickly. If you found this case as intense and eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.